Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about notifications in Power BI. So let's say you logged off and you log in again, and there might have been a lot of things which could have happened. Somebody might have shared a dashboard with you, or somebody might have put a comment on some of your dashboards. And there's one place where you can get those notifications. So we'll just go log in and look at the notifications tab. So let's start. I'm already on the Power BI service, so I'll sign in. And you can see here when I log in, I can see this yellow color with the notification. So let's just see what I've got. And it's just saying that somebody shared the dashboard with me, which is a new notification. And it's giving me other notification as well where people have shared reports or dashboards with me. So it's a quick place to look at whatever's happened and what are the activities which have happened since you last logged in, and keep track of things. So this is a fairly good place to look at. In this video, we covered notifications in Power BI. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers. Bye.